Okay, now this question says simplify each expression using rules for exponent. I know the answer in the book. They're probably going to leave a in exponential form, but unless the question says leave answer in exponential form, we really can't. So the rule for a is that when we have a power over a power with the same base, we subtract the exponents. So that would be 5 minus 10, which is 3 to the negative fifth, right? Which we can't leave because that's not simplified, right? A negative exponent's not simplified, so it's 1 over 3 to the fifth. Now in exponential form we could leave this, but the question didn't say exponential form, so we really have to multiply 3 times itself 5 times. So 3, 9, 27, 81, 243. So this is really 1 over 243. Okay, so that's A. So B, we have 10x to the fourth, right? 10x to the fourth. And then we have 10x to the, this time it's 10x that's getting raised to the negative 2. So that's really 1 over 10x. That's really 1 over 10x squared, right? So that's 10x to the fourth. And then the bottom is 10 squared is 100, and x squared is x squared, right? So now we can kind of cancel, right? 10 over 100 is 1 over 10, right? 10 over 100 is 1/10. X to the fourth over x squared is x squared in the numerator, right? And that is in simplified form. The next one, C, we have 1/4 to the third, right? 1/4 to the third. That's 1 over 4 to the third, right? And then times 4 squared, right? And they put it in parentheses, which it wasn't really needed, but times 4 squared. So this is really 4 squared over 4 to the third, right? Which is 1 over 4, right? So remember, because 4 squared is 4 times 4. 4 to the third is 4 times 4 times 4. And then we cancel those, and I'm left with 1 over 4. So C is 1 over 4. And the last one, let me see if I have room. I could probably do it here, D, right? Okay, so I have xy to the third, which is x to the third, y to the third, over xy to the third. Okay, so the y to the thirds cancel, and x to the third over x becomes x squared. And we're done all 4.